Alright, you guys, Southern Chef back here again. Got another easy meal for everybody. If you like chicken and dumplings, pretty easy. First of all, Brand's biscuits. We got 2 little containers of 5, so really only took 8 in my dish, but it might take you 10. I'm just gonna cook these anyway. If you like peas, canned peas, rice, normally about 2 cups for a family of 4. Basically it's a big thing of chicken broth, like a big cardboard tube. It's 1 can cream of chicken, maybe 2 bottles of water. The little small, not the small bottle, but regular old water bottle. And get your chicken broth hot. Once you get that hot around medium heat, you put your cream of chicken in. Make sure that gets hot. Then you cut up your biscuits. I use a pizza cutter. Cut them up in pretty good size, you see. And basically you just cook that so the biscuits start getting really puffy, and you know what I'm saying, probably 30 minutes, 15, 20, something around there. But yeah, hit me up. Everybody subscribe. I got y'all going on for easy stuff.